Hi guys, this is Carlos and you know how we do it. iPhones are very expensive machines. So sometimes when you be for na opesa will check if say be original and say original and as it be a refurb and as any refurb. Video we make sure how obiti of us why I check it. Na we so phone a mono and I say a mono and I say a dada and I say a dada and I say fake crumper. Make sure before say make sure no subscribe yeah, but more than subscribe. Alright, so let's go on and check whether our phone is fake or original. Let's launch in the settings. Afi near general honum. Near sabo about phone. Honum about no. Okay, I say some interesting information. So normally you copy serial number na ewa say no. Na afi I head it up to Apple for official website. Now I could check it for information on the phone. Me a video be about that. Me the better the end of the video. We interested about now na information again from a serial number no. And quite enough say better say your phone no a refurb and answer a mono and answer even personalized. So you go be I bet more information free. You be checking what a year suro. They di esro no. A year model number no. Say what the on sa eboswa a bet your phone no model number A1901. Was had the one sa a boss be man. A bet some M numbers biara. The MD kind a very important. Let us need the kind a very important. So no no mostly let us say the kind and a tray they be a phone free and I say how a phone we no mostly let us say the kind it's either say a M F N and I say P. Okay, so I say a M new her. Into M no means your phone, which is your iPhone device, was purchased from Apple Store. You see that's a online and that's a retail shop. A mono. Inti sakoba say first letter na the kind so a N, which means say the phone is a replacement device. It say phone no my replacing no by Apple and I say Apple authorized service be na problem kakra bi wom. E be o camera bi and I say network na enye ana omode koye and I'm replace machine. Usually, and also which my friend will say a refurb, but mainly no say I just say a replacement device. Okay. And he said let an idea name no a so I just say phone no a refurbish. A gonna say no yet take refurbish and I say the phone no a fake and I say a China made completely. And I say, Minkasa China for new money, and I say, Ibia, a completely fake. And so, and sir, refurb say, and so, then yes, the coin of the Sammy be home. Refurb just as Sammy be phone. And a refurb no, a year say a refurb do, and so, Otono online Apple shop and abuser, Apple still gives you warranty. They have a place and you get it very cheap online and also no the channel no and I feel so say a piece just say a personalized and also a go for can say be a customized. Okay, now personalized no so most of the times no some piece of message has been engraved at the back and as a home way be personally easy sell benya personalized one, but anyway it's still out there sometimes when you personalized machine. So when each video you want, then I think say video is by ball I see to with my clicking video is so no idea watch check it watch how I see we are not so check it for no information I was here for medamase on each video you want me to, so I like it. No, subscribe on me. See you in the next one.